Hi, this is Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be flipping through 3 new products from the Fun Illustrations collection in the spring release from Happy Planner, and I'm super excited about these because they look so cute. Have not looked at them yet though. These products are launching with all the other new spring release stuff on Thursday, March 16th. I will put a link in the description box and would appreciate it if you'd use my link if you plan to purchase. Just because, you know, I work hard to put out these videos. If you don't use my link, I would appreciate you use someone else's who is showing you the new product. So there's codes for you. You can save 15% off of $75 order with code SPRING15. You can save 20% off $100 with SPRING20. And you can save 25% off $150 with code SPRING25. The codes are valid until March 20th. Let's get started and check out these products. I have a classic dashboard layout planner here. I have a mini vertical layout planner, and I have a sticker book, and they're all the Fun Illustrations line. So let's go. First, let's take a look at the classic dashboard layout planner. I'm going to be using this one for work, I think. And I love lemons, you guys. I love lemons in real life and lemons in my planner. Yes. So one thing I want to mention that I'm mentioning in all the flip through videos because I think it's important is Happy Planner had a rebrand. You can see the logo change, the design. They have like all the information on the outside here about the dashboard layout, about the disc bound system and stuff instead of inside. All right, let's open this up. You know what else I'm so excited about with this rebrand? I didn't realize this until right now, but these are not stuck to the planner with like that little piece of sticky glue thing that it was always hard to get off. Yeah, it's not on there anymore, you guys. Front or back. Isn't that great? I love that. It's the little things. Let me tell you, it's the little things. So this is an 18-month planner. It goes from July 2023 to December 2024. And it's the classic size, like I said. The discs are black plastic, and the front cover says, "You're the zest," because you are. Listen to me. It's gold foil with little gold polka dots and lemons. Yes. Inside cover is this like stripey area here. I'm so excited to see the inside of this planner because I have not, like I saw the monthly, that's the only one I flipped through so far, and I don't know what this is going to look like. So I'm really excited to see what changes they made for this year. Okay, here's your name page. I love this little wavy area here with the stripes. I think that's so cute. And then we have pink and purple areas with the calendar. I think that's adorable. I love this font up here. It's like really bold. I love that. And I love the color here on the year at a glance pages. Okay, so this is what the currently page looks like, and I just flipped through a monthly planner that was very neutral on this page, but it was like laid out the same way. I knew this one was going to be colorful because it's Fun Illustrations, and it felt like a very colorful type planner. We have 3 priorities here: important with a graph paper section, and then take note with some lines. You deserve a whole sheet of gold stars. Okay. This is what your monthly is going to look like. We do have stripes in the middle, so if that bothers you, take note on that. We have a little note area with a lemon, and this is graph paper here. Your font for this is going to be very sort of like handwritten and whimsical, right? Okay. So this is a dashboard layout. If you're new to Happy Planner and you're new to this layout, it's basically like this is like your landing page for the week, and this is going to be like your daily pages. I love this layout for work. It really makes sense to my brain for categorizing different things. And then I love this section here. This is what I use for my YouTube videos that are coming out for the week. I love the versatility of this. So this is going to be the same with that pink area. Just a little shading there, but no shading there, which is good, I think. Okay. Here is August. You have the stripe section on the divider. I can't speak. Okay, so I don't know if there's going to be a lemon on everyone. It looks like it. Okay, so the monthlies are going to be the same. And it looks like there's going to be, or maybe every, okay, so every month is the same as well. Like on the inside, you're going to get that same stripes in the middle, the pink there. I don't know how I feel about that. Like I think it's sort of minimal and not so annoying, but for me, I'm a very decorative planner who likes to put a lot of color on the page, and it might start to bug me after a while. So I don't know if I'm going to be using this or not, but I know I'm going to like the dividers and stuff. Okay, so lemons, of course. Yeah, of course. I'm not going to show you. Yeah, I'm not going to show you these because they all look the same. Sweet as a peach. I love fruit in my planner. There's gold foil on those. Keep life spicy. That's so cute. Don't overthink. Just let it go. I need to hang this on my wall because I'm a chronic overthinker. I love how these stripes go right into like this side. Oh my, that looks so cool. You're the zest. I told you. Some grid there in different colors. Today is a good day for a good day. Sprinkle kindness like confetti. Fortune favors the bold. That's cute. Do more of what makes your soul shine. Celebrate every tiny victory. Hey, hot stuff. That's so cute. I love that. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Hooray for the weekend. Oh, that's silver foil. Look at that. Silver foil waves. Some really cute peaches there in different colors. And start your day with a dance party. Everyone should be doing that, I think. Plans are dreams in the making. Plan a happy life. And then the back cover is more lemons. That's a really cute planner. I like that a lot. Okay. Let's check out the mini planner because I'm thinking it might be very similar, although this is a vertical layout, so I don't know if it's like really different. I have a feeling the dividers will be the same because that's what usually happens if they're in the same like collection, you know. I don't use a mini happy planner. I'll probably put this in my giveaway box. I like having the option in case I want to use a mini, you know. I just don't go anywhere. So I used to use a mini when I put it in my purse, but I don't go anywhere, you guys, especially like now that I work at home. I don't go that many places during the day, you know. So this is looking the same so far, but this is what your vertical layout is going to look like. It's very tiny. It's very small. I hope you can write small. I did use a classic, not a classic, a mini vertical once, and I liked it. I liked the dashboard mini better. So you have the stripes in the middle, and it's very neutral on the rest of it, which I like. And I think probably all of them are going to be the same. Yeah, the middle parts are the same. So let's look at the dividers. And they're going to be mini dividers just like the other dividers. I'll just show you real quick. I think they're exactly the same. Yep. Yep. Oh, wait, does this only go? Oh, okay, so this is a 12-month. That's surprising. Okay, did I say that wrong? I might have said that already wrong. I thought this was an 18 months. So this is only July to June of 2024. Okay, I didn't realize that. So 12-month planner, the other is an 18. Okay, let's check out the sticker book because that's what I like to do the best. Okay, you get 732 stickers in here. So this is going to be very fun. Sticker book, I know it. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And then we have little box stickers today with a little hot sauce. Celebrate the little things in life. We have these strip stickers here that are great. You know, just use them like washi tape and it adds a little color to your spreads. I love this font. Important reminder today to do. Little headers there. Here we have the double boxes. Today's plan, squeeze the day, create your own sunshine. Important reminder, today's focus. This is on clear sticker paper. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So we have the lemons, you're the zest. You can make lemon spreads with this sticker book. And fun, colorful boxes. This color palette is very fun. Clear stickers here. Today's focus, squeeze the day, sunshine on my mind. Some longer box stickers there and some check it off, you know, to-do list type stickers there. I really like these stripes. I think that's cool. Due today, top priority, big plans. We have the curved boxes here, and then some curved headers. Look at that. We get the peaches. Those are pretty. These are on clear sticker paper. Sweet as a peach. You could make peach spreads and lemon spreads, or both, peaches and lemons. Look on the bright side. So more boxes. I like when they include a lot of boxes and all the colors. These are on clear. Some headers here: appointment, meeting, coffee date, dinner plans. Positivity is my superpower. Life is sweet. These have gold foil. More box stickers here. More little circles in the middle. More double boxes. I love it that these are all hot sauce here. Dream big. Happy plans. Crushing it. Check it off. Talk about a good time. Oh my gosh, hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Eat well, travel often, hot stuff, get things done, find your fire. Ooh, eat well. Oh, I already said that. Hot stuff, talk about a good time. And then we have the hot sauce page. I know. Spicy date night right there. Hot stuff. Yeah, hot stuff. So cute. Okay, I love these wavy things. The wavy stripes. Love that. Dream big. My only complaint, Happy Planner, is that I don't love the boxes that like end in white, because then it looks like you only put a strip on your page and not an actual box. That bugs me a little bit. But what you can do about that is you could totally take a pen in one or several of these colors and make a cute little outline around it. And that's probably what I'm going to be doing, because I think that's fun. You can do the same thing with these here. I don't know. It's just, is it just me? I just don't like it when it disappears into the page a little bit, but you can change that up. Like you can do that. So don't feel like you can't do anything different to that. You can also put little like strip stickers. Was there any in the front here? I think there's going to be, oh yeah, these. So you could totally like, I don't know, put like the peaches on the other side. You know what I mean? So you can switch it up. Don't feel like that's your only option. Check it off here. And then these cute little, are these circles? Yeah, they're full circles there. Celebrate today. Celebrate every tiny victory. Lots of cute circles there. Ooh, silver boxes. More circles. Hooray for today. You got this. Little encouraging things for you. This is on clear. We have birthday stickers here. That's nice with silver foil. Celebrate today. Hooray for today. Hooray for weekends. Do more of what makes your soul shine. Happy plans in the making. Good times and crazy friends make the best memories. Today's a good day for a good day. You can give yourself a little award. So we have gold foil here. Hip hip hooray. Happy plans. You got this. Positive vibes. Trust your luck. All that kind of stuff. Fortune favors the bold. Happy plans in the making. Monthly boxes here in those pretty colors and some headers. So it's interesting. There's silver foil and gold foil in this book, but I like that. And you have a lot of checklists in this book. So if you're someone who likes to make a lot of lists, you can put one on every day in a few spreads. And we have strips that are those wavy things, and they're so fun. Look at that. Ooh, I could do so much with these. Like, I'm already thinking, what could I do with those? That's what when I flip through these sticker books, I sort of look at them and I think, and my brain starts going like, what could I do with that? Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so letter stickers, they're so cute in those little cute colors and that font that I like. These are on clear, and that is that. That's a really cute sticker book. I like that a lot. Okay, so that is the Fun Illustrations collection. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And yes, don't forget to use my affiliate link, but don't forget to use those codes either, because they do help you out, you know, if you're buying a lot in the new release. So yeah. Okay, March 16th. Don't forget, I will put a playlist of all my unboxings and flip throughs and stuff for that release in the description box. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.